What's up, y'all? It is your girl, Sarah from Sarah Styles here. I am so excited to announce this course. It is a Fundamentals to Data Analytics. If you have ever asked yourself, what brands sell well? What category should I be selling? What platform should I be selling on? Any of these questions, and you don't know how to figure these out, this course is for you. If you're wanting to grow your business and you ask yourself these questions, this course is for you. What's great about the foundations course, the fundamentals course, is that it really starts at the bottom. You do not have to have a background in mathematics. You do not have a background in data analytics. I'm going to walk you through step by step from the beginning on how to look at your numbers, what numbers are important, and Google Sheets tutorials as well, so that you have these tools at your disposal to be able to make these decisions for your business. Having your numbers and being able to look at your numbers and understand what they're telling you, you will be able to increase your profits and meet your truest potential. But let's hear from some users.
I have no data analytics background.
I do not have a background in analytics, like 0% analytics, nothing.
I thought the course was laid out in a really good way from kind of start to finish. I felt like each piece built upon the other pieces, and you needed...
I'm a visual learner and a hands-on person, so for harder concepts or things that involve math, I need to actually follow along with the problem or a few problems and try to solve them and work it out. It helps me understand the concepts better, especially when you're talking about something like math or science.
Help you take it to the next level, have that true understanding of how the analytics, how looking at your numbers can help you make more money, and understanding the fundamentals of data analytics. As a trained teacher, I go through multiple different ways to help you understand it by teaching you, one-on-one, telling you the concepts, as well as quizzes and some practice in Google Sheets to make sure that you're really understanding those fundamental concepts so that you can move forward in this seller success series and really be able to look at your numbers, analyze your data, and make those decisions for your business to be able to make more money and empower yourself to make those strategic decisions. You will have direct access to me, so there's question and answers. You're welcome to ask questions in the course. Look forward to helping you in your reselling journey and seeing you in the course. Have a good day.